So, yeah, welcome, welcome to another live stream. And so, uh, today there won't be a tutorial series episode of my new series because I hadn't had much time. So, just a little live stream today, and tomorrow will be maybe a new live or a new video. So yeah, but I'm sure I will keep uploading things in the next day. So yeah. So yeah, let's do something. So all right, let me look real quick. All right. The gun is the gun I gift. Uh so uh mm, I'm not sure. So I will create some animations later. Maybe, I don't know what. But first I want to fix some errors because you can see when I do some stuff here, I get errors and I want to do something with the inventory here because it's a little, yeah, buggy. So yeah, just delete those because this was very, very bad what I did here. So yeah, let me. Yeah, that's fine. Let me do that real quick. All right. So, I just create now a little inventory thing. So let me create real quick. Oh, I already have an inventory component here. Oh, all right. So I'm stupid. So I already created it. Oh, I'm so freaking dumb. I forgot that. Okay. So yeah, then we can do it like in this way. So. Uh, Okay, so let's do that. So we have our inventory component here. Okay, so we do it in we do it in the player input graph and start with equipping our items. So inventory component, and here I have the equip slot. Equip slot, and then the name and the thumb. Okay. Check slot, setup slot, set inventory slot. Okay, so let me recombine those values again and do it like this. And let's say equip slot. The slot will be 0, I think, because yeah, it's basically just So 0, and let's say for that, for the output, let's break it. And here we have the name, the thumb, the description, and the overlay state. Okay, so let's say set overlay state here to that. Oops, so the wrong. Can you make a third-person shooter system tutorial, please? Yes, I can do that, but maybe in a few weeks or a few days, because currently I have another tutorial series I'm doing right now. So yeah, but sure, I can do that. So the third-person shooter system, yeah, I can do that. It's not that difficult. So the overlay state, let's look which state it is. I don't know. Oh, okay, so yeah, I see. It's not that. It's this. Yeah, alright. Okay. And don't use ALS. No, so yeah, that will be pretty easy when I make a third person tutorial shooter system with ALS, so okay, so well, maybe I can do a little tutorial where I can also do some third person animations where you create like locomotion animations. That would be nice. I never did that. I hope I can. I hope I can make that. I want to learn new stuff, so yeah. Let's have a look. Okay. Oh yeah, we have to set the slot. So let's add a slot, and let's set the first slot to like this RD300. Let's look. Yeah, okay, so we can equip it, but we can't see our weapon now, so let's say, yeah, let's say for here, the replication graph, and here is the, set the, I don't know, the thing, so let's add something to the inventory structure, add a variable, and we call it the weapon class. And this will just be the weapon, base weapon BP class reference. Say that, and let's say here, the weapon class, and get the weapon set class, like so. Alright, that is fine. Okay, so let's create not a function. Let's copy that and go to the replication graph, and let's paste this here. So we say not equip item, we say equip slot. Then we're going to set the red item set to none, and have this delay here for 1 second. And then we're going to equip the item, set our state, oh whoops, and set the weapon. Alright, so we can delete that. Now, delete this. Hey bro, delete this. Cannot delete this. No, I can delete it. So, yeah, like so. And I hope this will work. So, equip slot. Oh, I have to do another input. Slot and integer. And let's say for the slot here, +1, because the first slot will be 0, so I want to say 1, but 1 is actually 0. Mr. Hack Pro, what's up? How was your day? How are you doing? So, equip slot number 1. Yeah, so now I cannot equip anything, so I did something wrong, I guess. Oh, because yeah, I have to do -1. I'm stupid. Subtract run 1, so compile, save. Yeah, so now we place the animation for our weapon, but we have to set our little class here. So the RD300, and please work. Yeah, okay, so here's our weapon. When I press 2 and the other things, nothing will work because... Why? Because I have to call the functions also. 3, 4, 4, 5, and 6. Compile, save. Alright. Okay. Very good, very good. So, I want to create some pickups next, but first let's... Yeah, let's create some pickups. This will be pretty easy because we can do it in the base weapon easily. Just create a variable and call it pickup question mark, and it's a boolean. And let's do in the event graph begin play if pickup is true. No. Let's create first a box collision here. Or no. Let's do it in a better way with a trace. So yeah, I don't have a interact trace, but let's do that later. Let's go on like so. So now we don't have to do anything here, I think. Oh, we have to set a little thing here. If pickup is true, we just grab our weapon mesh, and we also have to, let's say, barriers on, yeah, like so. Everything is attached to the weapon mesh. I hope nothing is wrong now. I hope I did not mess things up now. So we can select a barrel, yeah, and a grip and our scope. Alright, so everything is fine. And yeah, now let's grab our weapon mesh, enable physics, set, where's physics? Set simulate physics, or yeah, set simulate physics to true. And yeah, we have to do something with the collision also, so set collision response to channel. No. Set collision object type. I want something different. Set collision profile. Response to all channels. Bro. Set collision profile name. I don't know. Have you made any full game before? No. No. Set collision. Set collision label first. so let's say block and this. Okay, let's do that, and then for pawn we just overlap, compile and save. Now let's have a quick look. We place it here. How long do you work on Unreal? So I started with Unreal like 2 years ago, I think. And yeah, I like Unreal. First, when I started with Unreal, that was so confusing. I did so weird things with it, but then I watched some tutorials on YouTube, and yeah, then I learned some basics, and I was pretty proud of me with my first project. But now I would say it's pretty goddamn shit, but yeah. So let's enable pickup on. Alright, so we can see when. Yeah. Let's do also that we rotate a little bit so it flips to the side. So set relative rotation, and let's add something to the Y. So it's at just -30. Compile, save. No. Oh, we get some errors. I think we have to do it before we enable this. Yeah, but we still get, but it's still not. Oh, because I had the wrong. I did it on the Z, but I wanted to do it on the Y. So now let's look again, and you can see it flips on the side, but it. Whoa, okay. So the collision of the guns are a little confusing. So yeah. So now let's look in this weapon. So I think let's look for the other things here. No. So let's look for the physics here, and no, the physics, and as you can see, it's a little, yeah, a little, I don't know what it is, a little cube or a capsule. And let's look from the right, and let's change the capsule to the box, and let's rotate it, and yeah, just like so. Save, and now, as you can see, it's still, oh, because, yeah, let's do it on the X, maybe. Have you tried any other engines other than it, for example, Unity, and why did you choose Unreal? So, at my very first time I programmed with a program called gdevelop. I was like 9 or 8 or something, and gdevelop is a program where you can just create 2D games without any programming, so you can just do some little, so like, I don't know, there are some boxes and you can fill them with some events. And yeah, I programmed some little 2D games and platformer games and something. Oh, it's working. And yeah, then I started with Unreal and create some projects, and I was a little confused, and yeah, you know it. And then I looked hey, there are some other engines, and first I looked for Godot, but Godot, first I liked Godot because yeah, it was like the first engine in 3D I saw, but then I realized it's not that good. It's a little weird. And yeah, then I saw Unity, and I was too confused. I don't know. I don't like Unity, so I don't hate Unity that much, but I don't like it. Also, I think Unity is good for mobile games, and I think Unreal is better for computer or console games. But that is my opinion. And yeah, then I saw Unreal and I really really liked it. It's nice and 3D and it's also easy to learn at the beginning with tutorials on YouTube. And yeah, I don't know. So I really have tried many other engines, and from them all I like Unreal the best. So yeah, but that is my opinion. You can have another. So yeah, I don't know. Okay, so that's looking good. I also didn't like Unity or Godot. Unity is not bad, but it's not that good as Unreal for computer games. Okay, so here's our weapon, and now I have to program. Whoa, okay. Set the scope type. Whoa, what's happened there? Oh, because yeah, there is no. Yeah, there's no weapon here. So let's. Oh no, I hate that. Let's program a interact trace. So basically, a little sphere, and when a weapon hit the sphere, it will detect it, and yeah, we can pick up it. And I hate it so much because I don't know. It's just I hate it. So let's call it interact trace, and just create a sphere trace for objects. The start is just our camera. Get world location. The end is get forward vector multiplied with our range. And add it to the world location like so. The radius, make array. Alright, so let's add another collision channel here. Let's call it interactable. Compile, save, grab interactable here. And yeah, so let's also say here, get our weapon mesh, set collision object type to interactable. Compile, save. Alright, so now let's break our hit result. So when we're hitting an interactable, we will create a variable called interactable. Oh, not yet. Let's do it with this. So promote a variable interactable. We set the interactable to it. Then we're going to add input, set input mode, input, no, input mode, no, not that, enable input, or enable input, yeah, enable input. Get our player controller. Okay, so we also do another branch if. So let's create another variable, another actor, and call it last interactable. And if the new interactable, so if this is not equal to the last interactable, we will set an interactable here. Yeah. And here, no. How do I do that? So here is it a new one, and also here we clear our interactable, the last interactable, when we don't hit something. And here it's a new one. When it's the same, we will, yeah, I don't know. So let's set the last interactable also to this here. But no. Oh, bro, I'm so stupid now. I don't know how to do that. I forgot it. So last interactable, when we have a new one, we set the new one, and we don't want to set the old one. That was dumb. So yeah. Our working scope, I'm on site system. We'll go, have a great day. Yeah, you too. So thanks for coming to my live. And yeah, I hope you're the best for your project now. Have a good day. Bye bye. So we set the interactable here. Yeah, let's just go ahead and no. I know it. So if this is not equal to the current interactable, we set the interactable here and enable the input, and we're going to set the last interactable to the old one, and then we're going to disable input for that, enable it for that. So if it is the same, we can leave it as it is, I think. So let's look. Let's have a look. Let's say for our base weapon, when we just press keyboard R, or no, E. When we press E, we print a string. Hello world. Compile. And let's do some other weapons here. Okay, so now we have 3 weapons here. Select this one. Oh, we have to actually trigger our interact trace. So here, the interact trace. The range is 300, the radius is 20. So let's draw it for 1 frame. Yeah, so yeah, it's hitting something. And press E, nothing will work. Why are they glitching so much? They look like they're living. The hell? Alright, so let's see for this. Is valid. No, it's not working, so let's say for this also a print string. No. So maybe here. Yeah, so like the interactable is equal to the hit actor. Why? Oh, I see, I see. I did it in the wrong thing. So here it needs to be. I'm so stupid. So now, hello world, hello world, hello world. So let's print another string. Get this display name, and the object will be self. Compile, save. BP3, BP2, BP. Okay, so we see when I select this and then go away, it will still have the input. So let's say when the hit actor is not equal to the interactable, we say get interactable, disable the input. And yeah. So no, that's not working. Oh, because we have to set it here. So disable input for this. Get player controller. Yeah, BP3, BP2, BP, but it still has the input, so yeah, there's something wrong with this because I know, because I'm stupid. Yay. To do it before we clear the variable. Yeah, so now it's not working, and let's fix the because yeah, we have to do a little check here. Is valid, and when it's valid, so compile, save, and now we don't get any errors anymore. And let's look for the problem while they like moving so weird. Why are you so weird, bro? So let's go into the mesh, to the physics. I think this is a little too small. No. Still weird. That is so dumb. I think because of the scope. Maybe. Yeah, so let's block everything from the scope and also for the other attachments here. No collision. No collision. And no collision. It's still getting... Yeah, maybe because of child actors here. Let's have a look. No collision. Okay. No collision. I don't know. Oh, so maybe because when we set the collision here for this, it will do it also for the others. So I'm not sure. So maybe I don't know. Let's reset the settings. Where it is? Ironside? Wait, what? Okay, so now... No, it works. No, it's not working. I'm stupid. Let's have a look. So we can see we have the red dot here. Yeah, so let's set it to Ironside. Let's look for now. Still get some errors. So let's say after that, I think it's because of that. So let's grab all of them here. Say collision enabled to no collision for all of them, and hopefully that will work. Bro, it's still not working. I hate my life. So, yeah. There was a little stream where I created some things and just had some little conversations, but yeah. Today there won't be a tutorial, but maybe tomorrow, but I will guarantee you in the next days there will be a new tutorial. So yeah, have a good day and bye bye.